Walking down to the Millers. I think the tree's almost gone down there. Unfriggin' believable. Here's Romeo, a little scared of what's going on, as he should be. There's the water coming over Fulmerville Road. Thank God we put in an extra culvert pipe, because that would be streaming at the Millers. Trees down. It's probably going to get washed away by the flood. There's Tommy. The soup's ready. The soup is ready. The soup is ready.
Is it really? Okay.
You told me to make it. I made it.
Yeah, I figured you might. Got my good hat on, but your brother looks nice.
How do I turn this off?
What's it, videoing right now?
Yeah.
Doug had to go home to meet the refrigerator guy at his house, and then he's coming back. You gotta have a quart of motor oil around that, Gabar?
What?
Motor oil. You got any motor oil at the house?
I'm a chick.
Yeah, but you have like snow blowers and all sorts of stuff like that.
I do not. I don't know how to stop this.